What's going on, guys? For today's video we have a Supreme Week 13 live cop. I'm super excited to be doing this one. First off though, I do apologize for how tired I sound. Again, I literally just woke up. I do want to say thank you guys so much for getting that last video to 30 likes last time I checked. That's awesome. I asked for 20 likes. You guys gave me 30, so I will be doing this live cop as promised. But if you want to see another live cop next week for week 14, make sure you hit that like button and let's try to get this video as well to 20 likes. This video might struggle a little bit because it is a pretty light week for me. It is the North Face week, but I'm not even going to go for any of the North Face stuff. I'm only going for the Polaroid film, and I mean, I guess I'm going for the keychain, but that doesn't really count. Usually I don't participate in North Face week because it's basically just a guaranteed L for me. There's really no point in me even trying, even though like box logos I still try to go for, but like I feel like North Face lately, you have to hold these items to really see a good return. Who knows though, this pink jacket may be crazy. I kind of think resale is going to be good, but like for instance that Statue of Liberty jacket, isn't that only going for like $40-50 right now over retail? But then you also have to pay all those fees and stuff. So if you couldn't sell that locally, you're kind of taking an L on that in some sizes. And what kind of blows my mind about that too is I thought that jacket was sick, but I guess obviously not a lot of people liked it. I think this cargo jacket is pretty fire too, but I don't really think it's going to have a lot of resale. I could be completely wrong. It could have so much resale. I don't know. I just don't really want to hold it, especially being like, what's it going to be, like 420-ish, 430 after tax, somewhere along those lines. So if I have to hold on to that for a while, don't really want to do that. So I'm just going to purposely skip it. Who knows, it might be a huge regret. We might just have the bot try to run it. I can't really just try to go for Polaroid film on this live cop, but I mean, you're not really going to see what the bot's doing. But I guess we'll just try on the bot. It's probably going to be just like a guaranteed L like I said, but why not? Let's just try it. So let me load this up really quick. Okay, I got that loaded up. I don't know if it can run in the background, so this is going to be kind of interesting to see what that does. Alright, so we got about 1 minute left until the drop, so let me get all these recordings going. We got the screen recording starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, we are live on the screen recording, so we got new loaded up just in case. And like I said, we're only going to go for the accessories today, so I mean, I guess I could just be clicking on the accessories. I got the bot going as well, but like I said, that's probably not going to hit, but I will keep you guys updated as well. Also, we do not have Ashley here today with us, but she's also not going to be going for anything for me this week because there's not really too many hitters that I need her to go after. So hopefully we can catch this dub. All right, we got 15 seconds left into the drop. I guess like you guys said, I'll be loading in on accessories this time, so we'll see how much of a dub this is going to be. Hopefully we can get that Polaroid stuff, and I think you can get 2 is what they said, so we're going to be trying to get 2 of them. All right, it is 11. Let's go. Alright, where we at? Oh, there it is. Dang, I missed it. Oh, and there was a restock on the lock. That is cool. Let's add this because I want this too. And let's go to checkout. Alright. Going kind of smooth. Going kind of smooth. Can't lie. This is going kind of smooth. Hopefully we still hit. Alright, we're processing. I'm going to just try to stay here like I do. Instead of going to a whole new page, I'm going to try to stay here. Don't know how well it's going to do. It's still stuck at please wait. Alright, we're loading. We're loading. This Polaroid film is literally like top 5 accessories I wanted this season. So please let me hit. It looks like my total is $64 right now. I don't even know how much that film was, honestly. We're going to have to see after this. Oh man, come on. Come on, let me hit. Just let me get the film. Let's go. I swear every week this takes longer and longer to load. Dang, come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Bruh, that stuff's going to be gone. Yeah, we got it. Oh, I'm so hyped. I wanted this so badly. I'm so hyped. So let's see. It looks like I got 2 of the Polaroid films that were $36. I'm so tired right now. I can't think of the math. What is that, like $18 each? And then we also got that North Face floating keychain for $12, making my total like $64-ish. Let's go back and see how crazy everything is right now. Sold out. Is that jacket sold out? Yeah, good. It better be. Oh, medium. Is this true? No, I knew it. I was like, what? There's no way. Okay. Oh, dude, I completely forgot. I was running the bot and I think since my phone locked. See, I never really know with this thing. I don't know. Let me go back. All right, Joey just texted me. I'm getting kind of nervous right now, but okay. So the shirt is sold out. That like hat looking thing sold out. Like basically the entire North Face thing is sold out. Wow, the Polaroid film is still there. Honestly, a little bit of a shocker to me. Didn't think that was gonna happen, but now I'm experiencing some lag. Don't really know what's going on right now. Let me just try to look at all this stuff again. Let me go back to the new. Yeah, so all the North Face stuff. Wow, this is honestly kind of crazy to me. Like, I didn't think it was going to be like an instant sellout. Oh, and the bags are still here as well. I didn't think the Polaroid film was going to be like an instant sellout, but I kind of thought, you know, considering me, I was still going to take an L. But we got the film. We got the keychain. I don't even care that they're both still in stock 3 minutes after the drop. This is still a W to me. I wanted both of those items. I wanted the film the most because, like I said, that was like top 5 things I wanted this season because I do have the camera that film fits into. So me and Joe are going to get some sick photos in those, and then I want to make like a little collage type thing, or I even have the acrylic frames. I think those would look sick inside. So super hyped to get those in. I don't even mind that now we're like 5 minutes after the drop and they're still in stock. This is a dub to me. So I hate to cut you guys short, but I am going to end the video here. I do not have time to look up StockX resale. Unfortunately, my camera is about to die, so I don't want to drag this on any more than I have to. Like I said, this video is probably not even going to do that well because this was a pretty light week for me. At least we got a dub. I'm super hyped about it. If you guys did enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button. If we can get this video to 20 likes as well, I will be doing another live cop for Supreme Week 14. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit that bell so you can be notified anytime I upload a new video. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Drop a comment down below because I will be replying to all comments on this video. I'd love to hear what you guys have to say. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm out.